Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Track Info Unit. In this video, we are explain how to open a US bank account for non-resident. So I will open one website, all methods sharing and readings. So you can see a comparison going into opening a US bank account even for non-resident online. Whether you are planning to move to America simply looking for a bank account in US dollars, you probably find opening a US bank account online as non-resident a tricky process filled with varied requirements and lengthy bureaucratic procedure. However, while it is be certainly not possible, in this guide we explore the main option you most likely have at your disposal to open non-resident US bank account. No matter what your individual needs and preferences might be, higher or the online accounts providing various US bank facilities depending on where you live. In the USA, we recommend Jimmy. In Europe, we recommend Revolt. In Canada, we recommend Vice. In Latin, we recommend Global 66. In short, many pupils find opening a bank account in the USA particularly difficult as a non-residential for reason most US banks requires you to be an American citizen or resident approve your application. That typically means you need to submit social security number, SSN, individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN, and proofs and address in the as. Although your detail vary from bank to bank, you also required to submit an identity document such as passport, driver's license, government issues photo IDs, or where applicable, immigration documents. All told, there are four main paths to open a US bank account for non-resident, and the best one for you will depend heavily on your needs and preference. These paths are follows. Number one, big banks in the US. This path usually requires in the US, although it doesn't necessarily have to be a bank branch to be a primary resident and will require you to travel to US to visit a bank branch and bank account in person. You will need specific documents, so always call ahead to see the requirements before you make the journey, as it can differ from bank to bank. So friends, this is my video about bank accounts. Number two, international US bank. This faith does not require resident in the USA or local documentation, but it typically comes with a steep initial deposit, cash fees, and minimum balance requirement. Three, online accounts. Here want to necessary need SSN ITIN you, but you will need US resident. It is the best path for US residents who want low cost digital banking service and don't mind slight lag banking coverage. So friends, this is my video second in my channel.